Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix error code 0x80040c97. OneDrive could not be installed error you were experiencing on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward process here, guys, on how to go about installing OneDrive. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you want to go and do here is open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. It starts with task and ends with OneDrive.exe. Go ahead and copy that and then paste it into the command prompt window here by right clicking on the top bar of the command prompt. Select edit and then select paste to paste it in. So you can see it wasn't even found, so that's going to kind of walk us into our next step here. You want to make sure OneDrive is not installed before we attempt to reinstall it. So what I mean by that, if you go and just type in OneDrive, you see the best match OneDrive comes up here. You want to go ahead and select uninstall on the right panel. And you want to go and locate OneDrive. If you see it in this list, it should say Microsoft OneDrive. Select uninstall. Select yes. And then once it's been uninstalled, you want to go ahead and restart your computer. Make sure you save and close out of any open programs and applications before you do that, of course. And then once your computer is started back up, I'm going to have a link to a Microsoft webpage in the description of the video to reinstall OneDrive. You can just paste that into the URL address bar of your web browser. But again, I will have this in the description of my video, so just copy it and then paste it into the address bar. So let me just make sure it is copying right. And just going to paste it in. And we're going to select the blue download button here. It's about a 35 megabyte download, shouldn't take us very long. And once it's done downloading, we're just going to go ahead and open it to run it. Select run. You can close out of the web browser too at this time and just give this a moment here. And you can see OneDrive has been reinstalled back on our computer. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.